My name is Mohammad Shadab Khan and I am working on project called OncoDetect. This project uses artificial intelligence to help detect cancer.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Syed Qasim Ali Kazmi and my ID is 13014. Today I want to explain my project what we use in it. We used HTML CSS as a front end and Python framework Flask we use for the back end.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Gosbak over here. I have completed my bachelor's in computer science in year 2025. I am very much grateful to my teachers, my advisor, and my university for the continuous support and guidance throughout the process. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Laibor Sir and my student ID is 13120. I'm a final year student at Karachi Institute of Economic and Technology, Kiel. This institution has equipped us with very hands-on experience and theoretical knowledge. We are here to present our project OncoDetect, which is a web-based AI system that helps to detect a bone and brain tumor using X-ray and MRI images. It also helps users to compare hospital treatment cost and provide the best route of hospitals nearby them in the basis of their location. Will tell you about patient, about the fields we'll be using to log in as a patient. Username and password will required to log in first, but you have to first create the account by username, email, password, age, and gender. After login, patient dashboard will be open, which will ask for uploading biobones, brains, and view report. We'll be uploading the X-ray image for the bone tumor to detect the bone tumor about the patient. And after the uploading the X-ray image, our model will tell whether the X-ray we have provided have an a tumor or not. So after uploading, the uploaded X-ray will be shown to patient and also to the doctor. For the doctor, we have to first log in. We will be created a doctor before it, and the doctor will be one. We will add username and password for it. When doctor will enter or login, then the uploaded X-ray will be shown in front of it. But before that, we have a dashboard of doctor, which is telling how much patients have been arrived, how much X-ray types we have, and how many seen and brain MRIs and non-seen tumor non-types, each and everything. Full information of the patient's X-ray, bone tumor, everything is shown on doctor dashboard. The uploaded X-ray, bone X-ray, which was uploaded by the patient, will be shown towards doctor. Our model will detect whether it has tumor or not. If it has, then it will generate a report and tell what type of tumor it has. If it is a bone tumor will be detected in two types, biopsy and malignant. The doctor will be shown that it's benign or malignant. Then if it is available, it is shown, doctor will be able to upload a biopsy of the patient. After uploading the biopsy, doctor will be told, or the dashboard of the doctor will be upgraded. The biopsy will be entered, uploaded, and the report will be generated, and everything about the patient will be shown in doctor. How many patients we have, how many X-ray types we bone or brain tumor we have, everything will be shown in the dashboard. After uploading the biopsy, we will know that biopsy already uploaded, and we have to generate. If we have to generate report, we will. The report will be generated, which tell about the detection of X-ray image, and it is whether it is benign or malignant, and biopsy is related uploaded or not. This report will be real time gone to the patient, and patient can see what was the report. On the patient dashboard, we have option of view report. We can also upload brain MRI for if we want to check whether the brain has a tumor or not. There are 4 types of brain tumors: glioma, meningioma, and pituitary gland. If it is not available, then we will be shown no tumor. After uploading the brain MRI, the brain tumor will be detected using MRI, not the X-ray images. The same process will be happen above when we uploaded the bone X-ray. That was shown to the doctor's dashboard, doctor's login area. After uploading the brain MRI, it will also show to the doctor, and doctor can generate the report about the MRI of brain, that whether the patient has tumor or not. If he has tumor, then what type of tumor he has. Generating the report will be gone to the patient, and patient will open it. Patient will open it and check whether what was the report he generated. He uploaded the X-ray MRI. Our project aims on detecting the bone and brain tumors using X-ray and MRI images. And after that, we can also tell the patient about the routes of nearby hospitals according to the cost they have, according to the expense they can manage. About their nearby hospitals, about nearby hospitals according to their expense, about brain tumor detection using MRI, and about bone tumor X-ray using X-ray images. Our project aims in helping the patient and doctor. It's in having a reliable, cost efficient, and fast result.